Today I'm going back to the village where I teach. So this is the first river that I need to cross, and sometimes when it's flooding I cannot cross in this area. Before there is a bridge over here, but it was destroyed by a strong typhoon, so the government didn't make a new bridge yet, and so they made a temporary, people or the community made a temporary bridge, which is by the use of bamboo. So it's dangerous. The motorcycle cannot cross over here when the water is high, so they would just be there in the corner. So I'm heading alone. This is the trail going back to the village, and alone hiking. I have some groceries that was brought by my student yesterday. And people, ngang masabo. Ano yan?
Palay.
Palay? Ah. Ngang masabo. Abo ng kalabasa. So this is another river. I need to cross this. I need to cross like 6 rivers, and this one is so dangerous when it's flooding. I cannot cross, and one time I crossed here and then I was carried away by the flood. The current is so strong because of the rocky and boulders, big rocks here. It's bubbling, so it's very dangerous. So it's good I know how to swim, so I was able to survive when I carried by the current of water. Today I hike alone and no companion, but when I have lots of stuff and groceries, I let my students fetch me. But yeah, I just climbed alone here because I can carry my bag, so no problem. Ganito po yung daanan namin para lang maabot ang mga estudyante, mga katutubo na hindi nakapag-aral sa baba. Hindi po sila nakapag-aral talaga. So yung system po ng school natin ay house. Sila po ay mag-aral, tapos mag-take sila ng exam. Pag makakapasa sila, they will proceed to senior high and elementary. Makagraduate sila ng elementary. Picnic in that river. Maliligo kami dyan minsan. Yung river na dyan. And an hour later, here I am. I'm home. So this is our water. It's overflowing now. This is the village. It's just so small. Oh, my chicken. I miss the chicken. My chicken. It's been a week that I'm gone. So I miss this place. Actually, I go down every 2 weeks to buy some food and groceries for our feeding every lunch. And this is my cottage. Oh, the flower is blooming. My yellow bell is blooming. I miss this place. Miss the peaceful and stress-free life in the jungle. And the flowers so beautiful. I like it. And the crickets sounds, I miss it. What a lovely day to come back again. And I brought a dates and I let my students taste it, and they said it's too sweet, ma'am. So thank you for watching, everyone, and subscribing my channel. Until next time, bye. Have a blessed day.